today. Each local server later.
Use the right 2 lanes to exit right.
UMGC offers online and hybrid courses. Plus, you can earn up to 90 credits toward a bachelor's for higher learning and work experience. Or
136 Dixie Road.
Drag tube.
It's going to be good enough to lead this race.
This is Bubba Wallace. You're listening to SiriusXM NASCAR Radio, Channel 90, America's home for NASCAR.
NASCAR headlines now.
Following Martin Truex Jr.'s retirement at the end.
Continue straight onto North Service Road.
Continue straight up right here.
3 additional top 5.
Nope.
That, he's been doing everything we've asked of him. He's ready to go. So it's a shame we don't get to go and test or anything. So, we've been busy just doing stuff in the simulator and just working through a lot of little things, like stupid things, within the interior and getting your seat right and, windshield blackout and all little random things that, you probably don't think about. With no testing or anything like that, we just need to make sure once we get to the clash, we have everything, as close as we can for him.
Small also discussed what Briscoe brings to the team.
Yeah, definitely. There's a different perspective on, in everything when somebody comes in from the outside. So it's interesting to hear, just some of his experience in the next-gen car and what has made him, when he's had really good races and when he's had bad races, what he's fought. So, just trying to understand that and, relate it, back to our own experiences with Martin and what we've done to, fix things and, just trying to build a notebook without kind of doing it.
Trackhouse Racing drivers Ross Chastain and Shane Van Gisbergen are set to drive the number 9 Junior Motorsports Chevrolet in a total of 9 Xfinity Series races this season, joining Trackhouse developmental driver Connor Zilich, who run full-time as a rookie in JRM's number 88 Chevrolet. Junior Motorsports will also field full-time entries for rookie Carson Kvapil, Sammy Smith, and defending series champion Justin Allgaier.
NASCAR fans, your voice is heard here.
It's a lot of fun.
Back to more